Hi, I'm Kelly with JUKI America, and today our tip is focused on the needle threader for the DX4000. It is a fabulous tool, and let me give you some tips to ensure that it works for you every single time. When you thread the DX4000 on the top, it's a numerical system starting with 1. The last thread guide above the needle is number 6, so I'm just going to put the thread in there. The needle threader is actually number 7, so I'm going to pop it in there, and the thread cutter is number 8, so I can trim my thread and be all set. Once I have that done, I push the needle threader. It will deliver the thread through the eye of the needle, and now I simply just pull the loop to the back. It's that easy. Thank you so much for joining me today for another tip from JUKI. Please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again on another tip or project. Bye-bye.